care. I'm camera. I swear to God, you shoot me, I'm gonna fucking fuck you up.
Are you a hit? Okay, that way.
And this kid just raises his hand. He's like, I was like, yeah, what? He's like, I slept in my kitchen once. That's great.
Are you recording this?
Yeah. You got something wise to say, Ringenberg?
I don't know if they've realized that we have 4 automatics. And they have 1. So we kill him real fast like, and then we make the others suffer.
Let's walk through there.
Hey, if you're gonna walk, crawl under the window.
Or just run as fast as you can.
See me at the gates? The guy fucking jumped across the building.
Well, that's a friggin' amazing sniper.
This is amazing.
Go!
Woo!
I saw it bounce off the wall too. I'm camera guy, not applicable.
Shit.
Do you feel like a Jew? No, are you the last one?
No, I don't like this game. You dumbass? I'm counting.
Counting.
You want me to go full auto? Did I hit you? Yeah, did I hit you? Nope. Okay. I'm just gonna count.
Did you get all of you?
Huh?
You just got you? I'm like, oh, he's got him. How many did you get? 1.
No, but we need it over here.
Yeah, I was hiding behind this tree and Luke shot me right in the fucking eye.
Oh, dude, my fart smells horrible.
Hey, Luke, hold on. Hey, hey.
Holy shit.
No more.
Hey, none of that blind shooting shit. No. Smells like shit.
Oh! Fail. What?
Right, watching too much porn. He's like,
What?
where are they at?
I hit you.
Bullshit!
Squeal like a piggy.
Get the flag! You lost it?
That run out or something.
Yeah.
Can I have some cover? I'm going to the bathroom.
I'm going to
Bathroom.
the bathroom, guys.
This is Sniper 1 in his natural habitat.
Corporal cock and balls. Drink break, we're getting shot at.
I like poop and poop. You see the sniper right there? He's right there.
Quit shooting, you whore.
Is that what somebody said?
Ringenberg.
Oh.
How many wise words to say?
See Kyle.
See Kyle.
Any chance of his life.
Guys. I got 2 over there. I'm gonna...
You gotta have more of an arm than that. He's out of ammo, dude.
You're not gonna find him until you run up on his ass.
Yeah, he's like a fucking pheasant. He's not coming out until you're right on him.
I fucking hate pheasants that do that.
Medic!
I got you.
Medic!
Yeah, that's all for them. I'm gonna drag you.
My AK. What? After the war? I don't know.
It's the story of my life. I sit in a building and get shot at.
John, is that you? John, you're shooting me.
Friendly fire, friendly fire.
Rambo. If I get poison ivy, I'm having a party tonight. If I get poison ivy, I'm gonna be pissed.
Go!